Parliament of South Africa, honorable speakers, honorable leaders, elders of 1976, youth of 2026, we stand here today not as beggars, not as spectators, but as visionaries, as missionaries. We stand here as builders, ready to break the cycle. The cry of youth is unbearable. The cry of society is overwhelming. It is a burden carried by our forefathers and ancestors, passed down to us year by year, day by day, month to month. In 2026, we humbly ask the government to help us unburden this load. It grows heavier and heavier. For too long, South Africa has been a revolving society. Graduates are revolving back to unemployment. Funding comes in, businesses collapses, programs launch and fade instantly. Content comes in left, right, and center, but still no change. Power, money, opportunity revolve in the same circle while the majority stay outside looking in. But we are here today as youth of 2026 to break that cycle. We are the youth with one mindset, one mandate, driven by the purpose. Students, residents, entrepreneurs, we are visionaries, we are dreamers, we are mentors, we are hosts, holding the badge of tomorrow. We do not carry anger as our banner, but we carry responsibilities of South Africa into our own hands, correcting every error made in the past. No more silence, no more injustice. The fight is to unlock doors of our future. Youth voices matter, youth lives matter, community lives matter, community stability matters, and our nation do matter. We are turning power talks into powerful leadership. Leadership that faces every entrepreneur working their lungs out, breaking the cycle of poverty. Teachers teaching youth at school, doctors curing for society, government sectors bringing stability into our nation of South Africa. And this is the leadership that sees the nation suffering and hears the cry of our society and build with us. Honorable President, we're not working against the government. We are working with you, ready to produce results, not insults. Together, building ruined society, and together, preparing and repairing future of our youth, working hand in